We're here at a customer's in southeastern Ohio doing initial startup on a Willis 2680 CNC lathe. This will be the third CNC lathe this customer has purchased from us. Previous machines include a 26160 CNC and one of our very heavy-duty LD 40240-14 CNC lathes. The 2680 has many wonderful features, including this machine was special ordered with the Fagor 8058-TC Elite Series control. This customer really likes the Fagor's conversational side and has standardized this within their shop. The machine is standard available with the FANUC 0i T control, TF series control with manual guide I. This machine is 26-inch swing over the bed, features 18-inch swing over the cross slide, and has a 80-inch center distance. This customer chose to order the machine with an Aloris quick change tool post. Optionally, it can be equipped with an 8-position high-speed electric turret. The machine features auto shifting speed ranges and has 3 different gear ranges as shown here on the tag, from 26 to 2000 RPM. The machine features a cam lock spindle nose, and this customer has ordered it with a Bison set true precision adjustable 3-jaw chuck as well as a 4-jaw chuck. The machine features a cam lock series spindle nose as shown here. It can also be equipped with an A series spindle nose. The cam lock is optional. It features a 2-speed manual tailstock. Can be ordered optionally with a hydraulic tailstock. The machine has a very nice feature where you can lock the carriage to the tailstock and move it and position it along the bedways, allowing for ease of use for the operator. This customer ordered the machine with a power chip conveyor with dual coolant pumps, which has a nice small rollout trolley for disposal of chips. The machine also has a wash down feature inside the bed to assist with chip removal and evacuation into the chip conveyor. At the rear of the headstock, you can see the rear opening of the spindle. A cover has been removed that's there for safety purposes. Small cover there shows connections for external utilities like networking cables, so the machine can be wired in to the network of the shop. Customer also special ordered a status light on top of the machine, which our builder installed. There's a large access door that can be removed on the rear of the enclosure for ease of cleaning. Additionally, another door is located at the rear of the tailstock end to allow for access to the tailstock for cleaning, adjustment, and servicing, for releasing the clamps that are on the tailstock. With the doors closed, the work area of the machine is fully protected and enclosed, protecting the operator during machining operations. This machine is very high performance and allows for heavy cutting as well as very precise turning. Our customers have noted the smoothness, accuracy, and quietness of the operation of this lathe. We hope you'll consider one of our CNC lathes when purchasing a lathe for your shop. This customer has found them to be very reliable, and this resulted in the purchase of a third lathe from us and has plans to replace other worn out teach style lathes as well as conventional lathes in his shop with the Willis product line. This lathe features a 4 1/8 inch spindle bore for ease of pass-through work through the headstock. The operator station includes a moving pulpit, which is very nice as it is independent from the enclosure and can be slid along the base of the machine to a comfortable position wherever the operator is working. You'll notice that the machine has 2 fixed MPG hand wheels, additionally a joystick for rapid positioning, also a remote MPG hand wheel, and there is a key switch for auto and hand operation as a selector. The nozzles for the washdown system inside the coolant chip pan can be seen here. Cross-slide is T-slotted, and it features filler plates which prevent coolant and chips from entering into the T-slot areas. This lathe also features induction hardened and precision ground V and flat ways for maximum accuracy and life of the machine. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you'll consider Willis when looking for CNC for your tool room, machine shop, or production areas in your plant. Thanks and have a great day.